Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to put text behind a person in Premiere Pro. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your video and text layers ready on the timeline. Then, duplicate your video clip by holding down Alt and dragging the video clip above the text layer. To make it look like the text is behind a person, we'll use the masking tool. Select the duplicate video layer, then head to the Effect Controls panel. Under Opacity, you'll see three options for masking. You can use either the ellipse, rectangular, or the pen tool to draw around the person. For this tutorial, I'll start with an ellipse and adjust it further to fit the head of the subject. If your subject moves, you'll need to animate the mask. Move the playhead back to the beginning of the video clip. Click on the stopwatch icon next to Mask Path to enable keyframes, then click on the play button. Once you're happy with the positioning, play through the timeline to see the effect in action. That's it. Now your text appears perfectly behind your subject. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.